Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get things updated here today as not a whole lot of things to update, more so confirmation. And the main point of confirmation is in regards to this $1.60 mark, which I talked about yesterday, because there's several things going on. You had the $1.60 mark, and then you also had the purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And you can see they kind of play the 1-2 combo this morning. Price tried to get up through there, but just couldn't quite do it, and ultimately did fall, back downwards like it did here. So by no means am I saying that therefore the entire chart's going to collapse or anything like that. All I'm saying is that it's kind of back to the drawing board in terms of getting up above these moving averages because it wasn't quite able to do it today. And you also factor in really kind of it was a three-pronged attack. You had the $1.60 mark yesterday. You had this pink line here, which is the 200 period. And then you had the purple line there, which was the 50 period. So you had a bunch of levels of resistance all sitting right there. So not shocking at all to see, why the price got rejected from. Not saying that the price can't get up above $1.60 or anything like that. Just saying it does make sense why the price did struggle with it today. But the good news is that the key levels of support that, that I've been talking about weren't even touched today, weren't even threatened. The main one that I'm referring to is right here at the $1.25 mark, which is that green line there. You can see a couple of times the price has been down around that area, and both times has done a good job of holding strong. And given that the lowest the price got was up here, like I said, not even close to testing that, let alone breaking to the downside. So sure, today may be a little disappointing, but taking a step back and looking and seeing that the price is still well within the channel that it's been in for the past few days. Maybe not exciting, but the bull still have plenty of opportunity to continue to chisel out this low, continue to go sideways. With the longer term plan of eventually being, building a strong enough flow where it can regain enough momentum to then attack that $1.60 and get back up in the groove that it's been in. So we'll see what happens with it. Still 3 days left this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.